Do you know how to navigate the world of affirmations? Well, it seems like most of the time it's a crapshoot. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly what you need to know about affirmations. My name is Desiree DeLune. Welcome to my channel. I am an acupuncturist, herbalist, and essential oil expert, author of 5 books now, and my specialty is to take chaotic chi, organize it, harmonize it, and give your life some peace and expansion. Why am I talking about affirmations? Well, I have just released a new book. I'll go ahead and put a link down below. It is called Affirmation Incantations, and I am going to teach you this wonderful world with some guidance, with some instructions, because many times affirmations seem super random. It's like throwing spaghetti at the wall and hoping something sticks. Look, affirmations need to be done properly, just like nutrition, right? Just like exercise, just like any profession, anything you do, there is a proper way to do it. There is a more advantageous way, more efficient way to do it. I mean, you could definitely spend an enormous amount of time trying to figure out what works, but let me tell you, I'm going to give you the formulas already for you, and you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to think about it. You just got to do. Here is the first thing you need to know about affirmations. You need to know which ones to implement and utilize in your life. If you are just randomly thinking you need one thing in your life, but in reality, your soul is calling for something else, it's not going to work. It's not going to fit, okay? It's not the right time. It's not the right season. It's not the right style. So when it comes to affirmations, you want to make sure that you are asking for the right thing right now. And that could change 6 months from now. So I have designed a process that takes about 6 weeks long to move through a cycle of affirmations, and that they gradually build upon one another. Look, just saying something like, I have abundance and I am worthy and I am beautiful, I love myself. Those are obviously beautiful statements, yes. However, if you don't genuinely feel that way, but you're verbally saying that, you are creating so much tension inside of your spirit. You are creating cognitive dissonance too. To think one thing, but really feel and believe another thing, that's where chi gets tense and congested, and you're going to create actually more obstructions. You're going to create more stagnations in your body, mind, and spirit. So we need to avoid that. When it comes to affirmations, we want to be very focused and intentional, not a bunch of random things. I believe in focusing on one thing for a period of time rather than trying to do 20 things, okay? I know a lot of us are overachievers and want to grow and change everything super fast, like right now. I get it. But the process that I share definitely is one of discipline and takes a little time, because people oftentimes, there are exceptions, oftentimes don't change overnight. So the first one I'm going to share with you, okay, you're going to have to get the book to get all of them, but I do want to share with you the first incantation just to help you figure out exactly what you need to focus on for this series. What you will do is you're going to write this out for 7 days, okay, and you're going to write with your dominant hand 25 times and then your non-dominant hand 5 times. So that's a total of 30 times in a single day. And you're going to do it every day for 7 days. So if we do some math, that's 7 times 30. That's basically 120 times you're writing this. Most with dominant, some with non-dominant. But this is the statement. You get a piece of paper or a journal and you just write this. I am open and ready to learn my next manifestation. I am open and ready to learn my next manifestation. So you write that out 30 times total, 25 dominant, 5 non-dominant, and make sure to put a period at the end of each one, sign your name at the bottom and date, and that's it. So what you're going to do is set aside maybe 10 minutes, could be 15 depending on how slow you are with your non-dominant. But you're going to set aside 10 minutes and you're going to do that each day for 7 days and look out, pay attention to what comes to you, what comes into your conscious awareness, what keeps like tugging at you. Let me tell you a personal experience. Before I was about to do my 6 weeks of affirmation incantations, I wanted to focus so badly on my business. Like I really wanted to learn what I needed to do to pivot in my company and bring in more of my creativity and all of this stuff. And so I wanted to construct an affirmation incantation around my business. As I started with this, because I was like, I need to make sure I'm on point and I'm not asking for something that is not the right time, right? So I did this. I am open and ready to learn my next manifestation for those 7 days. And nearly every day I'd get this like, no, it's your health. No, it's your health. No, it's about taking care of your body. I'm like, but I want to, and I just get so annoyed because it's like my ego wanted one thing, but my soul and my body wanted something totally different. So I invested the next 6 weeks constructing my affirmations based upon healing my physical body. So then I brought the attention into my physical body, and that became a huge focus for a period of time. Let me tell you, by doing so, my creativity, my strategy, all of that in other places in my life, including my business, really soared and expanded. So sometimes we think we want something specific, we need something specific, but really it could be something way different that's actually going to give you better results in that original thing that you want. That's just my point. I just want to share that with you. So I learned a major lesson that time is I need to really pay attention and listen and not get ahead of myself and not let the ego run the show or the shadow self run the show when it comes to this work. And that is, I think, one of the big issues that people don't know about affirmations is not knowing what to choose, what to affirm. This whole process of shifting your frequencies, shifting the way you feel, shifting what you're embodying, right? Shifting what you are emanating out into the world. That does not happen super fast. And that is why I love using the non-dominant hand in this process, because that does the big like retraining, rewiring, and helping you to experience something different than you have habitually experienced. I hope this is making sense. Just know that before you embark in the world of affirmations, know what you need to affirm now. What is the appropriate thing to affirm in this time, in this season and cycle of your life. And make sure to get the book, Affirmations, Incantations. Oh my gosh, my fifth book baby. It is so well laid out with tons of examples and clear instructions, and I'm holding your hand through each week. So it's a step-by-step process, and it's very easy to read, and you're just gonna love it. You gotta get the book. You gotta do the thing, all right? If you've got 10 minutes in the day, maybe 15 minutes max, you can really shift the trajectory of your focus, which then shifts the trajectory of your destiny. So enjoy the book. Link is down below. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell so that you are notified every time a new video is released. And while you're at it, go check out these other 2 videos. We have the Spirit of Guayakwood Essential Oil, as well as the forecast for 2023, so that you know how the water rabbit is affecting you this year. All right, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.